Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is Wednesday, the 30th of July. Um,
Today we're taking baby to her hearing test.
yes, she Layla has an infant hearing test at the hospital not too far from here. That's at 2 p.m. today. It is really early. It's just 9 minutes after 9. Um, we actually had a good morning so far. Both me and Miss Nadia are ready for the day. Miss Layla gave me a really good break today. She's having a good nap. She had a good feeding at 6 o'clock, unusual. She usually feeds at 5 o'clock and then goes back to sleep for a few hours. But I had chance to have my coffee slowly, make breakfast for Nadia, get dressed, and now I'm gonna have my breakfast and then clean up this mess around here. Yesterday was actually my first day ever taking a child on a bus, and on top of that, using a stroller for the first time ever. With Nadia, we always had either access to vehicle, and then soon after we bought a car of our own. This is the first time we don't have a car with a baby, but living in Toronto, that's a savings of around $1,000 a month. So I'm happy with that. Anyways, it is a good day. We had a good sleep. I've got a lot of energy today, so maybe so far it's sunny. Maybe me and the girls will just go to the park for a walk to the park. And I think, yeah, somebody heard. Somebody
We're going
heard.
to walk to a park. Yay!
Did you hear me say that?
Yes.
No.
Yes, you did.
Huh. Okay. She did. All right. Just waking up. Good morning, baby girl. Morning, honey. It's time to eat.
Look at this. Look at this area.
No, you don't want to look at the camera. Good morning, beautiful.
Hi, Layla.
Hi, my baby. Oh, look at that face. Stretch.
Hi, Layla. Hey, pumpkin. There's my Layla.
What are you doing? What's going on? Hello, baby. Hi. You gonna stretch? Hi, honey. Good morning. You had a good nap. Oh, what's Nadia doing? What is she doing? See? Guess who's up again? Wearing green. Everybody's got a little bit of green on today, Nadia. It is just before 11. This little beautiful girl will have to eat, and then we go for a walk. What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm rocking with Layla.
Rocking Layla. We had a change of plans, right, Nadia? We didn't go to the park yet. We're just, we had to call a taxi to go to the doctor's appointment. Didn't feel like taking the bus again. So maybe me and the girls will grab lunch after and then make our way home. So
And
we'll
get a
see.
treat because I
And get her a treat because,
slept in my room.
oh, she slept in her room all night for almost 2 weeks now, so she deserves a treat. Now we can see the back of her head.
16 days.
16 days.
And I kept my room clean for 16 days, which is also 22 things.
Whoa, 22 things. Okay. So, we're at the hospital. It's actually quite nice in here. Really gorgeous. At the newborn section, or the maternity ward, we're gonna get Miss Layla's hearing tested. It's a routine thing that every newborn has to have.
It's the best sister.
Everything's good. What you
Yeah,
got?
it is.
What you got?
I got a Subway.
It's already gone. What did I get? I got chilies and a small coffee and little Miss Layla's asleep. So we decided to walk home. So we have to go down the hill with a stroller. Hope to get the swimming coming up to the valley. But it's only half an hour walk, which will be an excellent exercise. And I thought about walking earlier, but I didn't.
Stephen Hart.
So, one hill down, another one to go. This
What?
is the other part of our walk. And this one is a lot more steep of a hill, but what a wonderful exercise. I didn't have the smartest idea at the smartest time to have an idea. It's raining, so hopefully we won't get home all soaking. Miss Layla doesn't even know. Okay, it's been a long day. We're having some Alfredo, shrimp Alfredo, I think. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it anyways. My appetite has been really terrible lately, so a good dinner will be good. I'm hoping to be Miss Layla is feeding. I'm hoping to get into bed by 9 o'clock. It's 7:59 p.m. right now. So, okay, so I'm exhausted, and so is Layla. It was pretty eventful day. It's too exhausting for a child to be just out there and hearing too many voices and sounds and a lot of things you're not used to. So she's really tired and overwhelmed today. I'm exhausted because I'm used to having a nap and I missed my nap today. Tomorrow is a pretty easygoing day. I'm just hoping to be able to take the girls to the park and maybe just do some crafts around the house. But right now, I'm just gonna get into my pajamas, have a bath, actually a shower, and then, yeah, get some rest. So we will catch up some more tomorrow. Good night. Bye-bye.